Hi, I'm Bruce from Unior Tools. I'm here in Slovenia to show you our latest flare nut wrench. This flare nut wrench has 7 and 8 millimeter openings. It can be used with Shimano, SRAM, Magura, Hayes, as well as a number of other hydraulic disc brakes. To loosen the flare nut, you simply slide the wrench over the top of the flare nut and crank it loose. To tighten the flare nut, we can also attach the 1/4 inch drive torque wrench to make this a crow's foot wrench. To tighten the flare nut, use the torque wrench to tighten to the manufacturer's specifications. The flare nut wrench is cut with a very low profile to access very hard to reach bleed nipples. Please see us at juniorbiketools.com to see our entire array of brake tools.